Hello, people. Welcome back to ONYE IGBO report. Nigeria economy. Given the level of corruption and oil costs, because oil now has become a cost in Nigeria, is there still hope? Nigeria has the biggest economy in Africa. The GDP of Nigeria is about 420 billion, and it's about $40 billion more than that of South Africa, which is the second largest economy in Africa. Indigenous investors like the Igbos, the Efiks, the Ijaws, the Yorubas, the Bibios, and Dangote, if you might say, they've all invested in various sectors of the economy to see how they can help the country, because Nigeria is not a nation. Igbos and their brethren, plus other Nigerians, they've resorted to buying of generators and also look for other source of power supply to see how best they can generate electricity, which they can use in production by the people in Aba Onitsha. Since the government has failed woefully in doing what the responsible government in providing what any responsible government would never fail in, which is providing the basic amenities, which is electricity and water and good roads for her citizens. In terms of population, Nigeria is about 250 million to 300 million, has about 300 million people. And about 115 million of her population are working actively to see how best they can help grow the economy of the country, Nigeria. Even though the politicians are doing all their possible best to see they thwart the efforts of these honorable citizens that are working tirelessly to see how best they can help grow the economy of the country. Nigeria was once a great exporter of agricultural produce like groundnuts, cocoa, chocolate, coffee, palm oil, cashew nuts, yam, name them all. But today, they have resorted to being consumers and no more producers because of government failed abilities in putting a stop to the Fulani herdsmen menace, because they are destroying the crops of farmers, which makes the farmers less productive. Nigeria also used to be a great assembly hub for big car companies like Peugeot. But they failed to manufacture cars. Thank God for Chief Innocent Chukwuma, who is the owner of Innocent Motors, who have decided to go into car manufacturing. This one's actual manufacturing, not assembly, but manufacturing from A to Z of Innocent Motors, the pride of Africa. But the government have failed to patronize him or support him. Rather, they are looking for ways to bring him down. Bad government. Irresponsible leaders or political office holders. Nigeria has a large territorial waters, but they have no fishing trawler. Rather, they depend on imported ice fish from Europe and Asia and the rest of the world, where they have large territorial waters. The Human Development Index of Nigeria is poor. Even countries like Botswana and Gabon ranked higher than Nigeria. Look at the happiness index, that's what I mean. The government takes care of their citizens, though their population is not compared to, but Nigeria have the resources to take care of them, but just that they have irresponsible political leaders. Now that the price of crude oil have tanked, is there still hope? Now is the best time to diversify. Now is the best time to restructure Nigeria. Now is the best time for the citizens to revolt. You can call it revolution now by what Showore went by. Now is the best time to change the history of Nigeria, to change the face of Nigeria. Now is the best time to decentralize the economy of Nigeria. Now is the best time to decentralize the activities of the Central Bank of Nigeria, the police, the army. Now is the best time for states to go and look for other ways to generate the revenue that would help in taking care of their citizens by paying salaries and paying pensioners and the rest of them, construction of roads and infrastructure. Now is the time. Because Nigeria cannot survive an economic recession unless they treat the Igbos well. Thank you. Welcome. Thank you. Thank you. This is ONYE IGBO Report. I'll come back again with another video series. Have a good one.